So you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Upon arrival, the defendant was placed in the Security Resources Office after a physical altercation. The defendant stated he was upset with the complainant because the complainant had mistreated his sister in the past. The defendant confronted the complainant and struck the complainant with a closed fist on his face. The defendant was observed on school CCTV walking up to the complainant and punching him with a closed fist, and shortly after, the complainant fell to the ground. The complainant did not show signs of confrontation towards the defendant. The complainant was observed with multiple lacerations on his lower lip and a missing tooth from being struck in the face. The complainant was also observed with a swollen jaw and bleeding from his mouth, and the complainant felt pain. I have spoken to the family of the complainant. He's had to have his jaw wired shut. His jaw was broken on both sides of his face.
Serious bodily injury?
I don't believe that would rise to the level of serious bodily injury because it's not permanent disfigurement, because he will heal eventually, but it will take 6 to 9 weeks.
Mr. Topaz, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're smoking weed, if I find that you're using alcohol, I will put you in jail. You will get your degree with me. Do you understand?
Yes,
You
sir.
are now not to go back to LaPorte High School. I'm ordering you not to go back. I don't want this person to live in fear, so you're not to go back there. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
If I find that you become a danger to my community, I only have one place for you.
Yes, sir.
You're not to be in possession of weapons as well. You were what, 17?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will provide you a lawyer today. I'm sending you for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is going to be in your system. You're to take a test and you're to come back, and then I'll have you speak to a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
If you don't go take the test, if you don't come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Yes, sir.
I know it's your problem. You got out of jail because we gave you a free bond. You're not going to get another one if you're a danger to my community.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand?
I will not cause any.
Okay,
And Judge, did you say no contact with the complaining witness?
Correct.
Okay.
but don't worry, don't file anything because I'm going to have him supervised.